Hey guys, welcome back my channel. Today I'm in Hida, Gifu Prefecture, nearby Takayama City. Here is famous for Hidagyu, which is beef. I wanted to save up my money, so I had Hida's local cuisine.
こんにちは。一人でいいですか？はい。
メニューはそちらにございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。ケイちゃんの。
はい、わかります。ケイちゃんですとね、
これです。
こちらですね。
これ？
ごめんなさい、こっち。はい、わかりました。
じゃあお願いします。
フルーツかコーヒー選べます。
じゃあフルーツで。
はい、わかりました。
A few moments later.
はい。
ごめんね。
いえいえ、ありがとうございます。ケイちゃんってこの辺の郷土料理みたいな。はい。
岐阜県の。
There are so many people inside this restaurant. She apologized for the delay in the serving, but it doesn't matter for me. Keichan is made by mixing chicken with special sauce made of miso, soy sauce. Then it is cooked with cabbage and sometimes other veggies. I think the taste is strong and a little bit spicy and very tasty. Many people cook Keichan at home, but you can also find it at small local restaurant. It is popular in the mountain area and it goes very well with rice. Long time ago, they used to enjoy this food only specific occasion, like New Year's party. But now, it's easy to get chicken, so they can enjoy this every day. Because of its rich taste, you can enjoy it with rice or even with a drink like sake. It uses miso, so people who are used to Japanese flavor will really enjoy it. It has unique taste that feels very Japanese. Even if you're not used to Japanese flavor, it is worth as a trying local dish. Pickles and miso soup make it feel just like a real Japanese lunch. And also you can choose coffee or fresh fruits, and also I chose fresh fruits because lack of nutrition. Hida is very close to Takayama and it's easy to get there by train. But Gifu has many famous spots like Shirakawa-go and also Geronsen. So I think it's understandable if this area isn't your top priority. I didn't have much time on this trip, so I only visited Takayama and Hida this time in Gifu.
ざいます。
Thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
はい、
すいません。
お願いします。
こちらですか。
はい、
はい。ケイちゃんですね。
はい、
1210円です。はい。
1210円。はい、はい、お願いします。
1210円ちょうど。はい。
はい、ありがとうございます。ごちそうさまでした。
どうも。